Hi everybody, welcome to How to Zazzle. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how to personalize this little magnet calendar. So first of all, go down into the description and click on this link and it will take you to this page. Once you get to this page, you'll see a picture of this little calendar here. And don't worry, right now it's for 2022, but I always have every new year in the store, so if you're watching this video in 2 years, you can go in there and you'll find calendars that are updated. So anyway, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down here to where it says personalize this template. Now click on that. And see right here how there's that little picture? Click on change. And then you're going to go to over here in the left hand corner, upload images. And then that's just going to take you to your computer. And you can click on whatever picture you want to upload there. So I'll just click on this one. And it's going to automatically upload your picture there. So once you got your picture uploaded there, you can click on the colors, and pick which color that you like the best. And then that's it. Then you just add it to your cart. Now say for some reason you uploaded a picture and you didn't like, there was something you wanted to adjust further, you can go to click to customize further. And there will let you move things around, or you can even pick a different background color if you wanted to. You can change the text if you don't like the text. It'll let you just further do anything. So once you get it how you like it, click done. You probably won't even have to go into that part, but I just want to show you in case you did need to further, personalize it. So anyway, now you got your calendar. You just add it to your cart. And that's it. You're done. You got a little magnet calendar, photo calendar. These are really great, for wedding favors or to put in Christmas cards. And also for businesses, you can put your business logo here and then hand them out to customers as a customer appreciation gift. So anyway, I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, just post them below and I'll try to answer you. Have a great day and happy Zazzling.